Hi.
Mayroon talagang ano yan?
It's a real camera, eh. Okay. So, oh, there's another swimming pool here, Mian. Huh? The kids pool? Hello. Kampung ka ni mama yun, ah. Are we getting inside? This is on the other side, Nick. On the other side. Oh, you want to get in here? Oh. Wait.
Jump me over. Move out of the way.
Watch out, watch out.
Watch out. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. Wait. So this is the kids pool, huh? We cannot swim here. Wow. This is kids pool. Hello. Huh? Annalyn, do you know how to swim? Did you bring your swimsuit? Wow. This is a big.
It's a little cold.
This is a big place, Nick, huh?
I didn't
Really?
know they had a little kid pool like that.
Uh-huh.
Should have went there came here last
Last time, yeah.
Unless it's new. Yeah, but you know, they can't have it too warm for kids.
Where?
It's not good for.
So maybe that's what.
Yeah, it's
what
probably
the,
like just like normal.
Uh-huh.
It's good because it's not too cold, you know.
And then they got too tall.